Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. If you like this content, check out some of our other videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Leeches, they suck your blood and won't let go. In truth, they can drink up to 3 times their body weight. Have you ever stepped outside and felt something slimy latch onto your leg? Say hello to leeches, those revolting, wriggling parasites that sneak through the mud, latch onto your skin, and suck until you're bleeding. These bloodsuckers ooze through ponds and wet grass like living nightmares, armed with razor-sharp mouths and saliva that keeps your blood flowing even after they're done feeding. If your backyard is crawling with these slimy, squirming vampires, we'll show you how to banish them for good. To annihilate leeches, you must understand their habitat. Leeches like moist, shady environments, like woodland areas, standing or slow-moving water, like ponds and lakes, swamps, or even slow draining soil, and rich organic material like mulch and decaying leaves. They are rarely found in dry areas such as deserts or well-maintained urban lawns with minimal water features and can't survive in salt water. So, to get rid of them, you need to eliminate their habitat by using these steps. Number 1, removing standing water. Leeches thrive in wet, shady, organic-rich environments, so you'll want to empty buckets and clogged drains, clean and empty old bird baths and poorly maintained fountains, drain and clean unused kiddie pools, keep dog and cat bowls clean or keep them inside. Number 2, clean up. Since leeches love decaying debris, rake away leaf litter, old mulch, and rotting wood where moisture collects. Trim vegetation. Minimize shade by keeping it trimmed enough for sunlight to reach the ground. This will help dry out the soil. Number 3, water features, such as ponds. If you have a pond or water feature with no circulation, leeches will love it. Add aeration, like a fountain or bubbler, to discourage stagnant water. Introduce leech predators like bass, sunfish, or koi. Use non-toxic pond-safe leech control such as copper sulfate or barley straw extract. Number 4, salt. If you've spotted leeches crawling on damp soil or near water, salt will kill them on contact, which is why you won't see a leech in salt water. But salt will kill plants, so use only in isolated spots. Number 5, garlic oil or garlic juice. If you're looking for an organic solution, there are reports that the strong sulfur compound in garlic juice repels leeches. This step may be effective in combination with others. Number 6, citrus oil and spray. Citrus works against a leech in 3 ways. First, it alters the pH and irritates the leech's skin and organs. Second, citrus is a natural parasite repellent. It disrupts the leech's ability to detect hosts. And third, the strong scent in citrus may mask body odor or blood cues that attract leeches. Number 7, if you have leeches in ponds, consider adding natural predators such as fish-like, bluegill, sunfish, or even some turtles. Number 8, don't overwater your yard. Excess watering keeps the soil damp and inviting. Number 9, switch to early morning watering so the soil can dry out during the day. Number 10, chemical options. For persistent problems, commercial leech repellents or treatments for aquatic environments are available. Please note all products are linked below. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.